Okay, today's August 14th, Wednesday. At the point now where I'm pretty much ready to take this frame over to the truck and see how it looks behind it. Got the torsion bars in. I got all the bolts tightened up, the cross members in. The only thing I know I still have to do is put the inner liner in, where I'm going to weld it at. I'm going to do about 2 foot on both sides at least, with that inner liner. So I still got to go get it and bolt it inside here, but I want to go take it over to the truck and see what it looks like first. That's it we have to work with. Like I said, all the bolts are tight. The only thing I got to do actually is put wheels on it, and I'll be good to go. So let's just go over it real quick here. Drums are anti-seized. Keep them from sticking on there. Brakes are all backed off. They all spin freely. So spin that drive shaft. Good sign. So everything looks pretty good. Pretty happy with everything at the moment. I just want to kind of get it behind the truck, see what it looks like, and then I'll have to still keep playing with stuff back here. This is not done yet. It's just at the point where I think I can butt it up to it, weld it, and see what the stretch is going to be and looks like. Like I said, I got to put the wheels on it still. That should be good to go. Shock towers are on. Torsion bars. I got everything besides the airbags. I didn't get the airbags yet. I don't need them yet at the moment. I don't think. I think I'll be fine without them. But lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of work on this thing for what it looks like. I mean, we had to break all these bolts off, move it, because this frame had to be shortened inside some. It was too wide, so lots of work. But we're gonna go put it behind the truck and see what it looks like here in a little bit. Let me get these tires on, lift it off these barrels, and then I'll start yanking it over there. It. We're going to take that last barrel out of the way and then drag it over there. Oh, is it hotter than hell? And I got a headache from hell, but pretty happy with how this is going so far. Looking good. So I'm going to drop it down. See what happens. Okay, sitting on its own. Very exciting, huh? I'm telling everybody, I probably got about 50 hours into it. So, good bit of hours into just this as where it was sitting, not cutting the frame out, not drilling holes, just sliding the frame in there, fixing a hole or two, bolting everything together, making sure it works. Put a lot of time into it, lining everything up so it's true, square, level. So, very exciting. I'm gonna go slide it over there to that truck. I'll show you that truck one more time before I take it over here, because hopefully this is the last time you get to see it this way. Because tonight it's going to have them rear ends behind it. So here's that truck still sitting in the same spot. We're going to put them rear ends underneath of it. I'm going to get rid of them cross members and air tanks and get them out of the way. This cross member is a Kenworth cross member, which is just going to slide up in that frame. I'll get it out of there. So anyhow, this is the before. Get a nice good look. Okay, I just used a sling. And we're gonna go all the way around the long way because it's easier to turn it. I had to twist it around so it comes up. The tractor is the front of the truck, so it's easier just to come in from this way. back end, push it this way, and start shimmying it in. I'm by myself here, so I keep wobbling and I'm not getting nowhere. So I got the skid loader parked up against this. My goal is to just try and push it straight till it hits the skid loader. That'll be like my wall, my straight edge. And I'll slide, hit that, and stop, and then we should be good to adjust how it's gonna sit. But it's getting closer. Happy moment. It's all together. Well, it's as close as I can get it by myself. It needs squared off and leveled out and everything else, but that's what it'll look like. I still have to shorten it. This is not the actual length. I think we are at like, I don't know, 300 inches or something right now. I didn't really pull a tape on it yet, but it's long. The next step I think I'm gonna do is put that sleeper on here, just so I can totally envision what it's gonna look like. Because once you cut that frame off some, there's no going back. So I think I'm gonna put the sleeper on, see what it looks like, and then we're gonna make a final cut right there on the Kenworth side of the frame and slide this forward, and that'll be the final stretch. But this is what it looks like for now. I'm pretty exhausted, pretty wet. It's a pretty hot, humid day. So right now I'm just gonna clean up and go home, and tomorrow's a new day. So thanks for watching. Okay, hey guys, got a little bit of time to kill. It's 5:45, August 21st. Got the truck behind me. That's the stretch length I'm going with. It's 291 inches. Being I get to work on this bad boy on my own in the evenings, I mean, the guys help me out a little bit during the day, but in the evening time, it's been really hard lining this up with this truck. Perfectly square, straight, and everything on your own. Every time I touch that, it moves the back, moves the back, moves the front, moves the middle, moves the whole thing the wrong way. So, been fighting it pretty good. So, what we did today is I got this square tube. It's 3x3 tube, and I put those on the top to hold this thing level with this existing truck, and I put sides on it to keep it from going left to right. So now I can pull this back. I'm gonna grind this torch cut we have so it's smooth, and I'm gonna slide it back forward, and then I'll start making sure it's straight and everything from there. So I gotta clean this weld so it looks a little nicer, make sure it fits better in the corners. So this will be slid back, it'll hold itself from this because it's all channeled in. Clean it, slide it back forward, and that will be that. So just letting you know, it's 200 and it's like 291, 292, give or take right now. I have a little bit of a gap here still. sucks in a way, because that means this needs to slip back out, shave this down so it fits in better. Maybe, maybe not, right? Because we still got to pull the bolt holes. Maybe I'm too far on this side and this side's not far enough. So you got, that's what it's a lot of. This is the most time-consuming part. I want to rush it and get it done and weld it in and be done with this damn thing. But you got to know what side to take off of what. You know, you could be too much on that side and you're going to cut more off, and then you're really far in. And you're going to come back this side and cut more off. So you gotta pull your measurements and see what you're doing. See the weld. Gotta get in there. So, welded good. Now, I'm gonna suck that side in and hopefully it moves that in. Alright, well, the usual. Here an hour or so longer than what I wanted.